All right, we're gonna go get Super. Yeah, Super. I think he's in here. Oh shit. I just saw Super's face. No. I swear to God, I just saw Super's face, dude. Yeah, I swear to God.
That dude takes the mask off? What did it look like?
What?
What did it look like?
Far away. Yo, bam! What's up, party people? Welcome to this week's video. You know where I'm at? I'm in Northern California. I drove up to hang out with Super Deluxe. I came up here with G and Jevin and his roommate Nasty. Yeah, man, it's gonna be super fun. Right now I'm at this bando that's like 2 miles from Super Deluxe's house. Yo, this place has a big ass dive stack, a boiler room that we can't get into, but some other shit. It's all falling apart right now. There's asbestos all over the ground, as you can see. I'm not even gonna pick it up. I'm ripping the Vannystyle Pro with T-Motor F40Pros. Yo, those T-Motor F40Pros, oh my gosh. I've only gone through one motor, burnt out motor, in the last 2 weeks, and like ripping hard with the Vannystyle tour and at the FPV park. I really like these motors, they're super strong. Anyway, that's enough. Yo, we're gonna get to this action. All right, you guys ready? Let's go do this. Baby. But shout out to my sponsors, GemFan, T-Motor, iFly, Noozle 3D. I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Smash the like button so your friends can see it. I got a Patreon where I post videos that I don't post on YouTube sometimes. I also got an Instagram where you can follow me, stay up to date with my behind the scenes and all my photography. That's Kazi FPV on Instagram. And what else? Oh yeah, I got a merch shop, CaptainKazi.com, where you can get some dope merch. And what else? Anyway, that's it, man. I love you guys. Stay tuned for the next one. I got dope video. Is there anything else I gotta say? I think that's it.